This video is part 2 of our composite shapes. Basically, we are working in this case with a spherical ball of radius 10 centimeters, which just fits into a cylindrical container. Our job is to calculate the volume of unoccupied space in the cylindrical container. So in order for us to find the volume of the unoccupied space, what we're going to do is find the volume of the cylinder, and we're going to take away the volume of the sphere. And notice how I'm actually writing out volume of cylinder minus volume of sphere. This is a really great idea, especially for those of you who are not so strong at math, because it's going to help you keep your thoughts organized. Because we're being asked to find the volume of unoccupied space, I know that I have to take the volume of the entire container, which is in the shape of a cylinder, and I have to subtract the volume of the sphere, which is inside of that cylindrical container. Then I'm going to look up the formulas for volume. The volume of a cylinder is going to be pi radius squared times the height. The volume of a sphere is 4/3 pi radius cubed. Let's take a look to see if we have all the information that we need. For the first part, for the cylinder, I know the radius is 10, so that's good. I know the radius is 10. And I have to figure out what would be the height of my cylinder. In the problem, they don't give me that much information, right? They basically just say that we have a spherical ball, but it fits into a cylindrical container. So right now, we are going to say that this fits just tight into this container. And so the diameter of this sphere is going to be the height of my cylinder. So the height is going to be 10, which is the radius, plus another 10 to make the diameter. So the height is going to be 20 centimeters. And we're going to go ahead and use that information to substitute into the formula. Pi times 10 squared times the height, which is 20. For the sphere, it's actually quite simple. I don't need anything else but the radius. So we have 4/3 pi times the radius, which is 10 cubed. All right, so it's time to get our calculators. Multiply pi times 10 squared, which is 100, times 20, and we're going to get 6,283.1853 minus, let's go ahead now and do 4/3 multiplied by pi multiplied by 10 cubed. So that gives us 4,188.7902. Let's do the subtraction of these two numbers. And we end up with 2,094.3951. So this means that the volume of the unoccupied space in the cylindrical container is approximately 2,090 cubic centimeters. And this is rounded to 3 significant figures. It all depends on what you have to round to. If you want to round to the nearest whole number, the answer will be 2,094 cubic centimeters. If you have to round to 2 decimal places, the answer is 2,094.40 cubic centimeters. So it all depends on what the directions are. Hope you found this video helpful. Remember to subscribe to my channel for more help with math so that you can say, yes, I can do math with confidence. Until next time, thanks for watching.